sure to check out Agelessgeeks.com for your figures and collectibles. Be sure to check out our podcast, hosted by me, Daredevil19, and Starblast Studios. The link to our podcast on Spotify is in the description, and we do a lot of awesome topics from figures to anime and just a ton of other stuff. So, what is going on, my fellow collectors? How is everybody doing today? Daredevil19 here, and today we're going to be doing a speed build video, and this is going to be of the Flame Toys model kit motorcycle for Snake Eyes. They did do a Snake Eyes model kit, which I was not too keen of, and this model kit here, it's alright. You can see it does come with the manual and then all the pieces to build it, so without further ado, let's start building this model kit and speed up the process.
We lose ourselves in the spirit of things. We lose our sight when we put our trust in things of this material world, of things that fade away. Yet we keep coming back, 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 keep coming back. Of things we know. Spirit of things, we lose our sight when we put our trust in things of this material world, of things that fade away. Yet we keep coming back, 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 keep coming back. Of things we know.
Alright, so here is the model kit or motorcycle all built and complete. It does look really nice, but there is some issues with it. Like, I had the same issues with the Snake Eyes figure. So that top piece I was just pointing at, whenever I peg that in, it unpegs the front wheel, or the wheel comes off. And vice versa, when I put the wheel in, that top piece comes off. So I had to glue those pieces on. There's some pieces you have to glue on because this was not engineered properly. They did not properly think this out before they built it, because those pieces are too close together, so they keep hitting up against each other, and once one pops in, the other pops out. So that's very frustrating, and there was a couple parts that did that. You can see where it pegs in there, the wheels, I couldn't even fully peg them in, so I had to glue what I could glue in. You can't even spin the wheel, because the wheel is so close to that bottom piece on the bottom of the bike, you can't even spin the wheel. So it's like, what the heck? And then right here is the Snake Eyes model kit from Flame Toys. Horrible model kit. Pieces wouldn't fully connect, just like with the motorcycle. These are not like Figure Eyes. Figure Eyes are so much better than Flame Toys. I am not a fan of their model kits. They need to learn to engineer them better so the pieces properly snap in securely and connect. Both wheels, I could not fully snap them together, so I had to glue them. You should not have to be gluing these model kits, but I mean, it was a fun build. Took me about an hour to build it, and you could see it is not true 1/12 scale. As you could see, that 12 World Toys Snake Eyes is a bit bigger than it. That other motorcycle I have fits better with a 6-inch figure. So this motorcycle is really meant for that model kit, Snake Eyes. But anyway, that is my speed build of the Flame Toys speed bike for Snake Eyes. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. And don't forget, I will catch you on the next episode of Daredevil 19, and I will also see you guys later.